Feeling old and saggy? It's time to use Viss RF Massager. How to use the Viss RF Massager. After washing your face, tie back your hair with the hairband which comes in the box. Apply Viss RF cream to your face, neck, or other areas of treatment. Press the power button to activate the Viss RF Massager. Press the rotation button. Press once for rightward rotation. Press twice for leftward rotation. To cancel the rotation function, press a third time. Adjust the level button. There are 3 levels: low, middle, and high. When the device is correctly placed on the skin, the green light turns to red. Start the Viss RF treatment. When you massage slowly, you will feel a warm sensation. Make sure that you do not focus or stop on a certain spot more than 3 seconds. You can massage anywhere you wish to see stronger, softer, or tighter skin. Remove the excess cream after treatment. You can use a wet towel or wash it away. Apply basic skincare after treatment. Viss Retinol and Viss Vitamin C are recommended for better results. Beautiful and smooth skin awaits you with Viss RF. Viss. Live younger.